How's it going, guys? So today I had to do a lot of wiring. All those starter connections are done. The ECM wiring is on, P1 and P2 connector, and then I tried not to make a lot of mess and make everything route nicely. I still have to secure this guy, that guy, but all the connections are done and everything's done here as well. All the wiring is connected to the power distributor and the firewall wiring. Everything's good. So this side is looking good now. I did give the frame and the engine grounds. So wiring is all done. So she's gonna be running soon now. Have a good one, everybody.
Check us.